something else that we wanted to bring up and talk about, because I already saw them in here, is your new football league. The fan-controlled football league, which the concept is kind of crazy. It's where fans can control what the players do on the field. Like, can you explain the league to everyone, or I can walk through it? But
I mean, it's to me, it's simple. It's playing Madden with actually real people.
That's what I thought. Yeah, yeah. I mean, as a player, I wouldn't think that that's something players would want. But
I mean, no, you wouldn't. But it's a way to interact with the fans and to be able to, you know what I'm saying, though, let the fans into a position of, calling plays.
Yeah.
And making making decisions in order they wouldn't, because as a fan, I think, especially with what's that shit called that they got going on right now? Fantasy football league.
Yeah, fantasy football.
Like, every time I get a fan like, oh man, you need to do this, you need to do that, and all this, that, and the third. Now it's almost to the fact where it's like, okay, well, if you want me to do that, I can't control how many times I get my number called. But now, as a fan with this league, you have the opportunity to call that player's number if that's who you want to have the rock.
Number 24, you're gonna run again.
I want 24 to have the rock. I want 24 to have the rock. And you know what? I'm just saying, from all of the what is it? I guess not backlash, but all of the comments that I've gotten about the Super Bowl, a lot of people say, you know what? You should have got the ball. But with the fan control league, it's more so the fans will be able to, you know what I'm saying, they'll say, hey, we want 24 with the ball right now.
Do you think the fans would have voted for you to have the ball?
Ask the question. Would the fans have voted for me to get the ball then? I mean,
would the fans, would you have voted?
This is what it's for, right?
All right.
This is what it's here for.
All right. See, then I didn't think I was going to be able to ask that question. All right. If you're watching right now, do you think Marshawn should have had the ball at the 1 yard line in the Super Bowl? Yes or no? Let's see what the fans say. So we'll see. Now I love the idea.
Let's see what the Marshawn haters say. Because I be seeing a lot of people be saying like him and get that. And they be saying all that kind of stuff. I want to see what they say. You know what I'm saying? Because they be going,
I haven't seen any of those comments come through.
What do you?
It is the
oh no, not here. But I'm saying throughout my history of what's it called?
Instagram.
Social media.
Social media.
I've been seeing them. They be going bad on the kid like that. So I'm just saying.
You're gonna get that. I mean, there are definitely trolls out there. Well, I mean, you're gonna get trolls.
Oh, that's what
too.
Trolls.
Trolls.
Well, yeah, let's see how many trolls we can get. And what they say.
You want to go trolling? All right, we'll see what we can do. I'm sure they'll find their way here. So the Fan Control Football League. Now we're seeing people. Yobana says you should always have the ball. Everybody.
Hey man, I appreciate it. Who said that? Tell them thank you.
Yobana said that.
Yobana?
Yep.
Yeah, good looking Yobana.
All right, so Yobana Franco, there you go, you got your name on there. All right, does the button have no option at this point? Yes. Okay, I don't even know what some of these are. This is the problem when you start reading the comments live. All right, Fan Control Football League.
Yep.
So fans will be able to play along, and essentially they'll have an app on their phone, and they can call plays as the game goes.
True.
So, and there's also, there's Bitcoin involved too, and you can check it out, it's FCFL.io. The main thing is here right now though, is you and Richard Sherman both came on as owners of teams.
True.
So what does that mean? What does that mean when you own the team?
That we own the team. You know what I'm saying? That we get them. I mean, it's simple though. You feel me? You
Yeah.
don't put too much thought into it. It's simple. I'm an owner. You know what I'm talking about?
Well.
So now when you address me as
Owner.
Owner Sean.
Owner Sean.
Yeah.
All right. Here
Owner
it is.
Sean.
Hashtag Owner Sean. Right now. You just heard it here first.
You know what I'm talking about?
So the FCFL. Fan Control Football League. So it's pretty unique. I mean, this is a bold move to have an interactive football league where players are going to have to do what fans say.
I know that's
Like,
tough.
Will you play in it?
Will I play? Yeah, I'm
Would
the
you
owner.
I'm
the owner of the building, man.
You want to be the owner?
What you talking about? Hey, what's happening? What?
You don't want to be the player, owner, coach? One of those guys?
Oh, man, that's doing too much, man. You know, we all got our lanes, man. Shout out SOS, man. Stay in your lane, man. You feel me? School of streets. It's a hard knock life for some people. You know what I'm talking about?
All right.
So I'm going to stay in my lane and I'm going to do my thing.
Okay. All right. SOS. There it is. You still got to teach me what purling is. But all right. So going on.
I'm going to teach you what purling is. You know
It's
what I'm talking
probably not something I should have said here.
It is probably something you should have said.
All right. So Richard Sherman, another owner of the league. Richard Sherman's been talking some smack about you.
Well, that's my son.
So here's what he said. He said, it's going to be really fun. Obviously, we're going to have to beat his team over and over and over again. Hope he doesn't get too upset at that. And there's a silver lining. I'll take him out to dinner after we wax him a few times. Damn. That's what Richard Sherman said to you.
I mean, that don't sound like Sherman, but all right. I mean,
no, it's an actual audio of him.
I know, and I'm telling you, it don't sound like him, but he must have been doing something for press, because I know he don't talk like that.
Would you have something to say back to him?
I'm gonna see you in a minute, son. That's my junior, you feel me though? When you raise somebody, you know what I'm saying? It's like that wax on, wax off thing. You feel me though? Mr. Miyagi, that's my Daniel son.
So you know what
I'm saying? That's how that go. Daniel son. Wax on, wax off.
So that was the I just didn't want to cut you off if you had any more messages.
No, you good, P.
Okay. All right. All right. So we got that. The Fan Controlled Football League, FCFL.io. Check it out.
I'm excited about it though.
Are you excited about doing like owner things now that you're
I'm really
walk around with a cigar?
To be honest with you, I'm really excited to see how the fans really interact and the knowledge of the game. Because I mean, at the end of the day, it's every fan ain't just gonna be able to call every specific play, but it's going to be like more so, you put them in a situation where it's situational, so you get to see what a lot of people going to think on 3rd and short, 4th and short, 3rd and long. You get to see, what I'm saying, though, what and how they feel. And what it does is it actually will probably give a lot of, what I'm saying, though, a lot of the bigger leagues, as far as like the NFL, the Canadian, like if they, look at the trends and see like how it's actually going, I think they'll be able to see like what the fans actually want to see.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, though? In those type of situations, which at the end of the day will probably give them an opportunity to have the game be more exciting.
It also means if they're gonna have to make those decisions, it's not gonna be every 4th down you go for it. Is there gonna be punting? Do you think there'll ever be punting?
No, it won't be so much special teams. It'll be more so just getting offense and defenses to, you know what I'm saying, though, to put up points and stop, and defenses to stop the offense from scoring.
What are you going to focus on the most?
You said what? Winning.
Well,
defense. I'm a defensive
Other than
player.
winning, we're just assuming that you're going to win.
My defense I want my defense to be the #1 defense in the league.
Yeah, really?
Straight up.
So you're not going for the offense. You're not going to find some running back that can power through everything.
Nah.
All right. So FCFL.io. You can check that out right there. Let's talk about something else that we brought up the NFL. Let's talk about you being nominated for Man of the Year. That's pretty impressive. Walter Payton Award?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, you looked at me like I said something wrong. Walter Payton Award. No, I'm just saying it's really impressive. Congratulations on being nominated for that.
Right on. Appreciate it.
What does it mean?
I don't do too well like accepting
Is it hard
gifts. But I mean, that I don't think you so much call that one a gift. I mean, it's
I think it's more of recognition.
It's a pretty solid honor though. You feel me though? Even just to, what I'm saying though, for me, just being mentioned in the same breath as Walter Payton.
Right.
So I mean, that's solid as hell. But just for what it represents, just the work that I've been putting in. I don't want to say my community, but throughout the communities that I have been to and I have touched. It's a solid honor, though.
Yeah. Well, congratulations. I mean, and it is. You deserve it. And again, we're talking about Fam1st Family Foundation and Beast Mobile, beastmobile.net. You can go there and help donate and support Phones for the Homeless. And that's what we're talking about today. So make sure, maybe we'll drop a link in there for everybody new who's hopping into the Facebook group. We'll go ahead and make sure that you know where to go so you can donate and help support what Marshawn's doing. Are we still live on there? Oh, yeah, you are still live on there. All right.
Yeah, we need to let them see you because you doing all that tongue.
Clearly, yeah.
Out here running this.
I don't think it's me.
Running this trap. There you go.
Yeah, go there. Support that. So, Digital Trends.
Go there.
Support that. Support that. Yeah, thanks. You should do an ad for me. That'd work out for me. All right. That's not going to happen.
That's not.
Fam1st Family Foundation, beastmobile.net. Go there, check that out. Again, though, congratulations to Walter Payton Man of the Year honor. As far as being nominated, that's really, really cool. We can still keep some comments going through. Sam Slaughter just asked, what's your favorite cocktail?
Patrinacy.
What is that? Patrinacy?
Patrinacy.
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 With
Patrinacy.
Patrinacy, okay.
That's what it is.
All right.
Patrinacy.
Patrinacy.
Patrinacy. Patrinacy.
With steak bites. So
You catch on quick, bruh. You
I'm
know
here.
what?
I'm
Hey,
listening to
man.
what you're saying.
Hey, we gonna be all right, man.
good.
You keep on bringing shit like that, bro. Me and you, we gonna be all right, man.
Good. All right. Well, so let's move on from Walter Payton Man of the Year. Speaking of steak bites, you got your restaurant, Robbins Restaurant.
Yeah,
It's opening up. What? Like, is it this week, or did it already open?
Friday.
That's what I thought. It is this Friday.
Yeah.
I've been watching some of your commercials on Instagram for it. They're pretty entertaining, I gotta say.
Who you got back here working this?
We have a whole production crew back there. Mike
Behind this
Kelsey
wall?
and Jake are back there. Yeah.
What's up with y'all? We got Raider hatting all up in this thing.
So the restaurant is in Oakland, or it's in Emeryville.
Yeah, Emeryville, borderline Oakland. Yeah.
And one of the rules I'm seeing there is no phones, no phone zone. Are you really going to enforce that? No phones in the restaurant?
Nah, man, I ain't. Man, you do your own thing. Shit, I wish you do use your phone, as long as you pay for your food. Because if you don't eat that shit, then I will.
That's when you're going to get Marshawn coming down?
Yeah, you gonna get me sliding through eating up your food and shit if you get caught slipping.
Well, so what kind of food are you going to be serving at it?
We'll be serving seafood, soul food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you
We're gonna have
handpick the
some
menu?
oxtails in that thing. I mean, you know, I wouldn't say I handpicked it, but actually, the restaurant was it was a staple for me in Oakland. You know, I took it over from Miss Cassie, who probably was in that thing for about 30 years, though. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I was reading about it. Yeah.
Yeah. So you know, I got it from her. So I mean, you know, majority of the menu will still be the same. You know, we just added a couple things to the menu. I mean, the biggest thing that we added to the menu was patronacy. So,
Which I found out. So Patron and Hennessy. All right, there we go. That's
how
good.
the fuck you? Who talking
dude,
to your ear?
I'm just saying, why would? Well, no,
I don't know. Somebody just lied to you. Who on there lying to you?
It sounds like a terrible.
In the
mix.
comments, who told you that?
My own company. All right, so Digital Trends. All right, Digital Trends live.
yeah.
That is what you're all watching right now. So I know you've got a bunch of other stuff that you got to get to. You got to do. I did say I was going to ask one more question. There's a rumor that all Skittles are the same flavor. Is that true or not?
Have you ate Skittles before?
I have.
Do
I'm
they
asking
taste the
you,
same
though.
to you?
I want to know what you think.
No.
So there's different flavors.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
I don't know the flavors, but
yeah, but they're different. All right. Well,
I put them all in my mouth at the same time. So Kings, I eat all the Skittles at the same time. So yeah, it's the same flavor.
okay. All right. Well, there we go. I wanted to ask from the source. You know.
From the source.
From the source.
Like I'm the damn
You're the Skittle
Skittle.
man.
I'm
Mr. Skittles.
Willy Wonka and the Skittle factory in this motherfucker.
All right. Marshawn, dude, thank you so much for hopping on here today. I know you got some other stuff that you're going to be doing here with Digital Trends. You're going to be, I think, playing some video games.
Nah, not really. This was what I came up here for.
This was it. It was just for Digital Trends Live.
Straight
Live
up.
every day here, Digital Trends Live, 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern, right now with Marshawn Lynch here in studio. Hop back in tomorrow. Join us. Thanks for everybody hopping in there. And make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure you do that so you can see us every single day with more Digital Trends. Beast mode.
Oh, mamas. Now, how you stop?